Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pick an avatar on Chrome. So I talk about avatar, and this is what I mean. This is the avatar. By default, it will be your profile picture. Your Chrome or your Google account profile picture will be in here, but you can try to change it by using an avatar. So let's try by click on three dot at the top of your screen, top corner beside your profile picture. Then click on settings. Here you can change your avatar by click on a customize your profile. And here we go, this is pick an avatar. This is my profile picture, my Google profile photo. And here the avatar that you can change. As you can see, look at the top right corner, the avatar is changing. So feel free to try to use to choose your avatar, pick your avatar. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and subscribe the text button below. See you in the next video.